Welcome to Applied Virtual Solutions. Whether you're new to working from home or have been doing it for a while, we're here to help you maximize your productivity, stay motivated, and create a balanced work-life routine. If you're ready to make working from home work for you, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of remote professionals.
Here's a list of 10 companies that offer online chat jobs available nationwide. 1. Apple At-Home Advisor. Apple At-Home Advisors provide customer support via chat, helping with Apple products and services. Requires a quiet workspace, customer service experience, strong communication skills, and proficiency with Apple products. The pay rate is approximately $20 per hour, plus benefits for full-time roles. Apple provides equipment and training with opportunities for growth within the company. 2. LivePerson. Chat agents at LivePerson assist clients with technical support, customer service, and sales inquiries. Requires excellent written communication skills, the ability to handle multiple chats simultaneously, and a customer-centric mindset. The pay rate varies by role and experience, typically around $15 to $20 per hour. LivePerson is a leader in conversational AI and offers opportunities to work on innovative projects. 3. Mod Squad. Mod Squad's mods provide customer support, community management, and social media moderation via chat. Requires strong communication skills, social media proficiency, and a background in customer service or moderation. The pay rate varies by project, typically $9 to $18 per hour. Offers flexible work arrangements, allowing you to choose projects that fit your schedule and interests. The Chat Shop. Agents provide live chat support for various clients, focusing on customer service, lead generation, and sales. Must have excellent typing skills, attention to detail, and prior customer service experience. The pay rate is approximately $10 to $15 per hour. They also offer training and development programs with opportunities for advancement. Support.com. Chat agents provide technical support and customer service for a range of clients. This role requires technical troubleshooting skills, customer service experience, and the ability to multitask in a fast-paced environment. The pay rate is around $12 to $15 per hour. They offer full-time positions with benefits and opportunities for career growth. Site staff. Chat hosts engage with visitors on clients' websites, providing personalized chat support. This position requires strong typing skills, attention to detail, and the ability to connect with people in writing. The pay rate is typically $10 per hour. Site staff focuses on high-end customer service, often in sectors like healthcare and financial services. Outplex. Agents handle customer inquiries, sales, and technical support via chat for various clients. It requires excellent communication skills, the ability to handle multiple chat windows simultaneously, and a background in customer service. The pay rate is approximately $9 to $14 per hour. Outplex offers remote work options and the ability to work on various projects. Teletech. Chat agents provide customer service and support for Teletech's clients, often focusing on technical troubleshooting and account management. This role requires strong communication and problem-solving skills, a quiet home office, and customer service experience. The pay rate is typically $10 to $15 per hour. Teletech offers both part-time and full-time positions with opportunities for advancement. Arise. Arise partners with independent contractors to provide customer support via chat for various clients. This role requires registration as an independent contractor, customer service experience, and the ability to provide technical support. The pay rate varies by client and performance, typically ranging from $10 to $16 per hour. Arise offers flexibility in choosing your clients and working hours, though agents must cover their own business expenses. Sutherland Global Services. Chat agents provide customer service, technical support, and sales assistance for Sutherland's clients. This role requires strong communication skills, customer service experience, and the ability to work in a fast-paced environment. The pay rate is typically $12 to $15 per hour. Sutherland offers remote positions with opportunities for full-time employment and benefits. Key considerations: typing skills. High typing speed and accuracy are often necessary for chat roles. Communication. Strong written communication skills are crucial for effectively handling customer inquiries. Experience. Many companies prefer candidates with prior customer service experience, though some offer entry-level positions with training. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and get notified for upcoming videos.